Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from ECE Section and roll number is 20951A04M7. So today I want to discuss about the DDoS attack, which means distributed denial of service attack. So coming to the topic, here we are going to discuss about elements like what is DDoS or what is DOT, what is recent attack on web, methods of attack, performing DOS attacks, how do we know an attack is happening, what to do if we are experiencing an attack, how do we avoid being part of the problem, and final conclusion. So coming to the denial of service or DOS, it is an attack to make a machine or network resource unable to intend user. So in this attack, they make interruption for the users while accessing the network. And coming to the DDoS means distributed denial of service attack. It is an attack to make a machine or network resource unavailable to its intent users by using other computers. So in this attack, they use multiple computers, which attacks are in the similar way of DOS for interruption of for the users to access sites and etc. So a big bang was happened on the 27 2013 27 March, where the internet around the whole world was slowed down, and because the day DDoS attack took place with near about 300 Gbps. Here is the graph which denotes the highest DDoS attack happened on that day. So in this attack there are certain methods which includes or help for the attack, like ICMP flood, teardrop attacks, permanent denial of service attacks, reflected or spoofed attack, low rate denial of service attacks, and peer-to-peer attack. So from the above elements, these three are the best methods for attack. Like ICMP flood means sends package to all computers hosts rather than a specific mission. Teardrop attacks means fragmented oversized payloads to be sent to the target machine. Permanent denial of service attack means it may cause replacement of hardware also. So these are the more better or best methods in the DOS attack. And for performing DOS or DDoS attack, these following are the elements used, like Jolt, Bobonic, Targa, Blast, Panther, and Crazy Panther. So from the above tools, we can also define some of the tools which are used mostly, like Jolt finds exploit vulnerability in Windows networking code, consumes 100% of CPU time by sending heavy CPU consuming packets. Light area, it sends TCP packets to more than one port number, and namely generates random packets with a random port number and flux within. So but how do we know an attack is happening? Here are the following things which determine we were under attack, like unusual slow network of performance and unavailability of particular website, inability to access any website, dramatic increase in amount of spam you receive in your account. So these are the things happen when we are under attack. But so here you can see the diagram where they use multiple computers while attacking our network CPU. We get interruption while accessing or while using network internet. So but what do we do if we experience an attack? So contact your network administrator. In case of home computer, consider contacting your network service provider, means ISP, and immediately get disconnected from the internet, which helps you from the attack. And how do we avoid being part of the problem? So following are the things to do to be avoid being the being in the problem, like install and maintain antivirus, install a firewall, configure the firewall to restrict incoming and outgoing traffic, follow good security practice for distributing your email address, applying email filters may help you manage unwanted traffic. So these are the things to do to avoid the being in the problem of DOS attack. So here is a report which shows the worldwide DDoS attack on 26 on different companies on different dates for certain time. So for example, in USA on 18 Jan, it is a gaming time, and the reported comments were outages and problems with login issues. So they got the problems in login issues while working on 18 Jan. So it indicates the DDoS attack on that day. And again in 12 Jan, USA internet browser, on the part of internet browser, there was a DDoS attack on for 6 days, and comments were downtimes for several onion onion websites, including a few Bitcoin services. So these are the services went down on the day on 6 days on 12 Jan in USA. So these were the different dates and different times and different countries and different companies, and different issues occurred due to the DDoS attack worldwide in 2021. So finally, coming to the conclusion, susceptibility to attacks could be elevated with better internet. Don't leave all decision making to the machines. Provide intelligent support along the path. Create hardened network. So from this session, I think you have understand about the DDoS attack. So here you can see the different companies where they affected by the DDoS attack worldwide, and how do we avoid being part of the problem. So we seen these things, and we discuss about what to do if we are experience an attack, and the diagram which depicts we are under attack, and how this attack happens, and tools used for attack like Jolt, Ladera, Namesy, and different tools like Crazy Panther, Babonic, and some of the best methods for using DOS attack like ICMP, flood, teardrop attacks, permanent denial of service attacks, reflected spoofed attack, low rate denial of service attacks, P2P attack. So thank you.